What are you doing, potato? Oh, nice girl. You're coming to work. Let's go. Yep. Lazy. Oh, just a day of chasing plows. Oh, so shiny. A beautiful day. What's going on today, guys? We're back at that Freightliner. We're gonna put the fuel tanks on it. And then I think we're gonna go do a clutch adjustment at another customer's house. Not much today, but I mean that could change with 1 or 2 phone calls, right? All right, guys, get you set up and show you what we're doing. Bye for now. Let's go get these fuel tanks, man. Dun, 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 dun. I love winter. I love winter. Dun, 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 dun. Huh. Gloves. Right. Got 1 tank on, 1 strap to do on that one, and fuel lines, and that side's done. And it's just the driver side. Alright, we're gonna get the strap in. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. What's up, people? Gotta put your rubber on. Frack. Just go in your home. You're an inanimate object. How can you beat me? Can't. Do, 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 do. Amazing, the metal's so cold for some reason. Connect. 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 Just like that, the rubber's on and it's safe. 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 I'll turn it back this way for a minute. I don't know how well you can see, but I'm going in there. Where did I put the pockets? Pockets. So many pockets. Fucking rain cloud, just like that. Oh wow. Come down here. We go grab this. That's another day's. Let's see if I can do this with 1 hand. Oh, wow. Ah, got it. Wow. You dropped your shit in the snow? It's alright. I found it. Alright, this is the old torque meter. The old fire. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, where are we going? Down here somewhere. Oh, wrong way. Oh, I hate when that happens. Don't forget to check your guns, people. I mean, at least it wasn't dead. It was in the off position all night. All right, get back on there. What the dick? I'll be dick.
These fuel lines are packed up. Safe. Not bad, old oregano. At least you'll hold fuel. Alright, or as far as we can go on this one today. Waiting on the sending unit still. As you can see, empty, which is all strapped down. Just left the steps off, so I got a little bit more room when it comes to putting them in. But yeah, so get cleaned up here. Customer's gonna come take the tanks, that makes it easier. But yeah, on to the next one. Day in the life of mobile.
Shout out to the local coffee shop. Always keeps me going. Thanks guys and girls and peoples.
Oh, more beautiful roads. More beautiful roads. 5 minutes away from the next job, if that. Actually, I think it's at the top of the hill, it's up here. Whee! Well, I'm very, very happy the four-wheel drive works now. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. We can't film here. But yeah, bye.
What's going on today, guys?
Whoop! On our way to another service call. Customer has no oil, apparently. Well, let's go see what happened. Alright, see you when you get there. Hi-ho, hi-ho. I hope I can climb this hill, you know. Oh, that little house. Bush. A mess. Oh my Lanta. I've always enjoyed this house. Nice setup. Only that just needs to be a little farther back from the road and it would be absolutely perfect. Oh, we're gonna lose a ball joint here. Ah! Ah! Jeez! What are some things you guys keep in your truck in the winter time when you're working outside? Hand warmers. Always. Number one thing. My hands get cold, I'm done. They don't work. And I'm only 30. Who's this? Huron.
Hello, sir.
What did you do?
I blew up a truck.
Why do I always gotta come find you? Waste Connections here. God damn.
I keep you employed, man.
Number one customer.
At least
This guy.
wanted something.
Hello. He's broken. I'm gonna follow this customer back to his house. An old DT 466. Just got a ton of blow-by coming out the road draft tube right now, but still running. They don't want to tow it, so I offered to follow them back. So that is what we are gonna do now. Might be a little bit fun to do because I gotta shift gears and drive. Oh yeah, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see it there coming out of the bottom, but woof, she is just a choo-chin. I mean, it's been a good truck. Made lots of money. Been around for a long, long time. Poor girl. Sad. Maybe she'll get rebuilt. That'd be a great video, wouldn't it? What are you guys doing there? Huh? Safety award. Woo! Good job. Look at the little house out there. Oh, it's so slippery. I just want to like go hang out there, you know. It's in my bush now. Just oh, little puff there. Oh.
I just can't get over the constant stream out of the road draft tube. That is awesome. Definitely way better than being a mobile mechanic in the city. Like, I'm sorry. Never gonna change my mind on that one. Oh, this is fantastic. What are you doing, Scott?
Taking the oil in?
Okay.
You want to see this?
Yeah, I do want to see the gray mass. We'll give you guys a better view once the pan's out. But it is nasty.
Yeah, it is.
Scott did a good one. Oh, there's the coolant. Hello, coolant.
Oh, nice.
Hello. That's all
Oh,
coolant.
primer gray.
Anybody want some milkshakes? My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. They're like, it's better than yours, damn right. It's pretty soupy. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Just gross.
Right?
Yummy! I love when my oil mixes.